you guys, these plants are so cute. Can you guys see this planter? This is the one I was mentioning in my previous vlog, that it was for outdoor, this planter right here. And yeah, so it now has a new home. So hubby put this together, and how cute is it? It is so gorgeous. I like it a lot. Yeah, and there's one on the other side as well right here. So beautiful. I love, love, love. And this is what it looks like, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. And we also have these outdoor chairs, but the cushions are not here. We have to take them off because it gets so windy. The wind actually blew them away. And the table is glass. It is so cute. So yeah, my husband is getting some cushions to put on there, something that we can actually like tie to it so it won't fall. They are so cute. So you got two of them here with the table, and you also have two on the other side as well. Is it two or one? Let me see. Yep, two on the other side as well, right here. It's so gorgeous. I love it. I cannot wait to sit here and hang out. Although I'm not an outside person, what am I talking about? Yeah, hope you guys can hear me. It's so windy. Okay.
I have to put some
Oh, so the
pack of weight inside.
pack of weight.
I put weight inside.
This is the cushion for this is the original cushion that came with it. As you can see, it's just plain black, but you guys, the wind blew away one of them, so we only got three now. It's okay here, but then I got two on the other side that don't have cushions, so we decided to take them out and replace them. My husband has been looking for it all over the place. I've been cracking up. It's too funny because I told him not to put it back because it's windy. Of course, he did not listen. You guys, I did not, what's it called? Record the process, but yeah, we recently, like 2 days ago, just had a company. Oh my God, it's so windy. So we had here was the red mulch, the wood chips. So yeah, they took everything out and they replaced it with these rocks. These are more beautiful and easier to maintain. And then we also had, see this drain right there? That is from the gutter up from the roof, and the water was coming down directly into the foundation. So we had them redirected and dig in the ground and redirected out here. Can you see that patch of dry grass right here? That's the one that they had to take out in order to do the piping. And this is where the water is gonna come out now. That one right there. Yep. I don't know what they're gonna do to this grass to fix it. It's looking dead. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, that was another, I think that was the major spring update we did outside. Yeah. The rest are just the plants, which hubby already did. And I think we have more plants that need to go, I think, by the garage door. I'll ask him and see. Okay, I think these are the flower pots. These are the pots. There's 1, 2, 3. I don't think he's done though, because I see, can you be careful? Because I see more plants here. The kids are playing in the garage, which is a hot mess. So yeah, I think those are going outside. As you guys can see, spring cleaning is going on. I had the cleaners come in, and y'all, the way this lady gets my bathroom, especially the glass, is incredible. I already went ahead and washed the bath rugs and also the ones in the kids bathroom as well. And y'all, this is the kids bathroom. So she goes, and when I say she goes into every single space in this entire house. It takes her hours because lately she's been coming alone. It takes her hours to deep clean and really go in there and get everything together, including all the bathrooms, all the bedrooms, every single place. When I say that, that includes the stairs. She goes on her knees, gets all the stairs right. She goes into the kitchen, my stove, inside my microwave, my oven. Today she went an extra step and told me to remove the rugs because she wanted to treat the floor as well, because she just walks around the carpet. So today she was like, okay, just can you just get the rugs out? So I took the rugs out. And y'all, the way she gets this, she uses like a wood treatment thingy, and it makes all the difference. Yeah, I love her so much. She is such a sweet lady, and she just helps me to take off a lot of this burden off my shoulders, because I'm one person. I just cannot do it all. So, ladies, this is just to put it out there. If you feel like it's getting overwhelming, get help, okay? If you can't afford it, get help. If you can't and you have other people that can help you, please accept the help. You just cannot do it alone. I know I can't do it alone. I never claim to be a super mom. I am not a super mom. I am a human being, and I get tired. So she comes in once a month now and does this for me, and all through the month I do my own cleaning. She even says it. She's like, your house is not really dirty. I'm like, yeah, I know. I clean a lot after myself, but I also need somebody to come in and do that deep clean. She gets like the chandeliers everywhere you can think about. She gets it right. And I absolutely love that. It just, like I said, it takes away so much stress from me, not having to be the only one doing a lot of cleaning. My husband helps me. He usually does our bathroom. I'll do the kids' bathroom, after showers and all of that. He takes care of the basement because he's there. That's the man cave. He's there most of the time. But y'all, deep cleaning the house is so necessary. So we do this once a month. Now, this is a spring clean video, like I said in the beginning. So we do the outside and we also do the inside. One thing that I've not done with the house is to clean the windows. She says she can do that, but it has to be like a separate quote from what she does inside the house. And I understand that because it takes a lot. But I don't know if I want to give it to her or like give it to like a company that would come in and do it. So that is one thing that I've not done. I've not done the windows. I try what I can on the inside, but to get all that glass clean from the outside as well, I have not done that. So let me know, what do you guys do for like seasonal cleaning? First of all, do you do seasonal cleaning for like spring, new seasoned and all of that? Let me know what you do. So y'all, this is my stove. This is a gas stove. She gets the stove right. When I tell you, can you see the microwave? It is, you don't even see any grease. Now I typically wipe all of my counters as well as my cabinets with wooden spray, and that takes off all the grease. Now talking about spring decoration, this is the little decor I have here in the kitchen. Probably the only decoration I put up for spring, and I have not had time to film it and just show you guys a little bit. But yeah, I used the same tier tray during the holidays, so I just used it and switched out what I had. I found those little lemon dishes from Home Goods. Again, she got it so right, like this door right here, because it leads down to the basement. So, people are always holding on to it, the kids especially. So it leaves a lot of prints, and she got it so good. Another update I recently made was to buy this table right here. I got this from Amazon. I would link it in my storefront, which is always in the description box. Now, I did go ahead to put some decor on it, and I'm going to show you right now. So this is what I have right now. I have not even taken out the tags. I would show you what I got, okay? So I went to Home Goods, and I got this floral arrangement and that little bird thingy sitting on some stack of books. So nice. And I also recycled stuff from around my house. Now that plant, the flower is new. It was $14.99 from Home Goods. But this book thing is from my house, and the other white decor is also from my house. The wood is from Home Goods as well. I also got this mirror from Home Goods as well. It's so beautiful. And for my dining, the only thing I did was to switch out my centerpiece, make it more springy and summer fun colors. So I got this floral arrangement. I made this myself. I just got this from Home Goods. I mean, not Home Goods, from Hobby Lobby. It's 40% off for their florals, and I had those tulips, so just used that to fill in the gaps that I had, and it just became a nice floral arrangement. I got the vase from Home Goods, Again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And I know I've been MIA, but I am fully back and I have a lot in store for you. Thank you all for watching. I'll catch you all in the next one.